Yes, Kelsey, I've been here for many hours now, and I have to tell you that this has been such a tragedy for this community, all of Pennsylvania, really, with just the Christmas leading up tomorrow, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, the next day. And I want to show you right behind me what this scene looks like today after what you just mentioned, an explosion, a fire, and a partial collapse. We spoke to officials. They confirmed that 2 people have died and that about 20 people at least have been injured.
I'm hurt. This is my neighborhood. So, I feel like they are my family.
Grief and shock overwhelming residents and staff at Silver Lake Nursing Home in Bristol, Pennsylvania, after a powerful explosion, fire, and partial collapse at the facility left people dead and several others injured. One nurse we spoke to says her biggest concern was the patients.
Traumatized, worried about my co-workers and the patients. It's like one big family.
Officials say just after 2 in the afternoon, PICO crews rushed to the building after reports of a strong gas odor. Then, while crews were still on site, an explosion ripped through the facility. Within moments, a massive emergency response was underway, with rescue crews pouring in from neighboring counties. Preliminary information indicates a gas leak may have sparked the deadly blast.
We did rescue 2 people from the actual collapsed structure in the basement. Within approximately 15 to 30 seconds of us exiting the building, knowing there was a heavy odor of natural gas around us, there was another explosion and fire.
Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro called the rescue efforts heroic.
They were quite literally climbing up ladders, handing individuals in this nursing home to police who were at times carrying 2 people on their back to safety.
Governor Shapiro says the nursing home has been under new management since early December. On December 10th, the State Department of Health conducted a visit to the facility.
There was a plan put in place in order for these new facility owners to upgrade the standards at this facility.
Nurse Watson says some residents at the nursing home are as old as 95 years old.
This is unexpected.
Yeah, we don't know what is going on.
We don't know what went on. And now look at this. Where do they go from here?
Now back here live, you can see that scene. A lot of work needs to be done here. As of the latest update, 5 nursing home residents are unaccounted for. However, Governor Shapiro did say that that number could change because some folks were able to apparently leave with family members. In Bristol, PA, Shaira, Arias, NBC 10 News.
The NBC 10 investigators are taking a closer look at the nursing home. According to Medicare.gov, the facility has 174 beds and cares for about 151 residents daily. A fire inspection last September found sprinklers in all required areas. Emergency plans, drills, and gas and electrical systems were all in order. Still, the nursing home has paid over $418,000 in federal fines in the past 3 years for quality of care and administrative issues. The NBC 10 investigators also found a state inspection from about 2 months ago uncovered problems at the facility. The nursing home didn't have a life safety floor plan. That's a map showing fire barriers and exits, and administrators confirmed it wasn't available. Inspectors also flagged smoke compartment issues, including an oxygen storage door that wasn't smoke tight. The facility had until the end of November to fix the problems. We've reached out to the state for an update and are waiting to hear back.